Well, hello, welcome to a CapCut tutorial on how to add a Ken Burns effect. If you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is add any footage to your timeline. For me, I'll just take this YouTube short that I had made. You could do this in any sort of resolution as well. And then from here, all you need to do is click on it. In the video tab that appears right here in the transform section, you'll see something called the scale or position or rotate. For the Ken Burns effect, we're going to be using the scale. Click on the add keyframe section. Make sure that it's wherever you want the effect to start. And then go ahead and let it play like so. Really easy. Well, maybe not let it play, but you put it from the position you want it to start to the position you want it to end. Go ahead and add another keyframe and then scale it in. I'm going to go ahead and turn this audio down because it's copyrighted audio. And then as you see, if I press play, it'll go ahead and do that zoom that I went ahead and told it to do. And just add a nice little effect. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, though, it's been a CapCut tutorial.